Hi Cyberspace family, it's Dilshan and today we are talking about something super important for any business owner. The disadvantages of not having a website. Let's dive in. First up, lack of credibility. In today's digital age, customers expect business to have a website. Without one, your business might appear outdated or even untrustworthy. A website shows that you are legitimate and professional. Next, limited reach. Without a website, your potential customers are limited to word of mouth and local advertising. A website opens your business to global audience, allowing you to reach people far beyond your local area. And then there's discoverability. Most people use search engines to find products and services. If your business isn't online, you are missing out on this massive pool of potential customers who are actively looking for what you offer. Also, missed sale opportunities. A website can function as an online store, allowing customers to purchase your products or services 24/7. Without one, you are limiting your sales to business hours and local foot traffic. Plus, you are missing out on valuable customer insights. Websites offer analytics, provide data on customer behavior, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. This information is crucial for making informed business decisions. At Cyberspace, we understand the importance of having strong online presence. We specialize in creating websites that not only look great but also drive results, helping you avoid these pitfalls and succeed in the digital world. So, if you are ready to make your business to the next level and avoid these disadvantages, hit that follow button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's build something amazing. See you in the next video. Thank you.